Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the OS and that the app supports custom colors or icons. This matters because not all apps expose color themes. Once verified, open Settings and navigate to Home Screen or Display, then to Widgets or Shortcuts depending on your platform. Make sure to back up or note your current layout so you can revert if needed. Now, tap the app you want to modify and choose Edit or Create Shortcut to begin changing the visible color, or once you're in the Edit screen, select Icon or Color and pick from the provided palette, a system theme, or import an image. You do this because direct app themes may be locked, so shortcuts let you override appearance. Use a 1-to-1 square PNG or a vector for sharpness, resize and center the asset. Adjust tint and opacity settings if available, and apply a mask or shape to match home grid icons. Preview the result, and repeat if colors clash with your wallpaper. After you save, place the new shortcut on your home screen and optionally hide or remove the original app icon to avoid duplicates. If the icon or color doesn't appear correctly, restart the launcher or reboot the device to refresh caches. Make sure the app or shortcut has permission to display overlays and that a system-wide dark or accent theme isn't overriding your choice. If problems persist, clear the launcher cache or re-import the icon asset at a supported resolution, then reapply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.